A McDonough woman says she's caught in between finger pointing from GDOT and city leaders after she claims nearby construction caused flooding.
She says the runoff from flooding destroyed the foundation of her home, and she wants some answers. Fox 5's Eric Perry has worked to get some answers. Eric, you spoke to this woman today about who she says is responsible.
Yeah, and it's really between GDOT and the city of McDonough. That's the problem here. The woman in our story say they are placing the blame on each other. She says she just wants to be able to live in her home peacefully.
I worked hard, saved up money, and I purchased the home.
What should be the honeymoon phase for Shanita Ray when she purchased in 2023.
I found the land that I wanted with the trees that I was most excited for, and that I wasn't close to anyone. And I thought I had found the perfect house.
Has turned into a nightmare as she says construction on a nearby roundabout has made her home unlivable.
The rain from Highway 81 came onto my property and then damaged the foundation of my home. So now in my living room, my floor is almost to cave in. Once they removed my trees from the left of my house, the flooding came, which the water had no way to pass, so it came directly to my home.
This week, a building engineer told her that her home was sinking and it's not safe for her to stay. This video during a heavy rain shows the water running. This after workers created drainage. Shanita says all that water initially was going into her home.
You can see where it separated my foundation from the house here.
She walks us around the property.
You can see the mold from the water here. You can also see the separation here.
So whose issue is it? She says GDOT points the fingers to city of McDonough. McDonough saying it's a GDOT issue. Shanita says it shouldn't be her issue.
I haven't had a chance to live in my home, to even call it a home.
All right, so as of right now, Shanita says she's trying to figure out another place to live. She does have home insurance or homeowner's insurance, but again, she says she wants GDOT or city and McDonough to handle all of this. We did reach out to GDOT. They're going through their files to try to get us a statement there. We have yet to hear back from the McDonough.
Yeah, why should she use her homeowner's insurance when, according to her, this is no fault of hers?
It'll be interesting to see what happens, for sure.
But a frustrating situation to be caught in nonetheless.
Yeah.
Eric, thanks.
Thanks, Eric.